What's up, guys? It's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365. Thank you so much for tuning in. I just want to give you a quick update. Then we're actually going outside to put something in dirt. Yeah, super not like me, but it's actually happening. So today is April 7th. April 7th. This is what I got over here. Here we have, in a germination process, we have some watermelon sugar babies. Those are the large seeds. The small seeds that you see are basil. Over here, I have actually some of the lettuce that I bought from the company that I wasn't too fond of. This is all getting put into rock wool tonight. As you can see here, a fair amount has germinated. I actually named them differently to make sure that I know which pack was what. So it looks like a lot of the darker ones and a few of the lighter ones have germinated. So I'm pretty happy with that. We'll be able to get some fair lettuce out of this. And in here, I have my Roma tomatoes. And as you can see, I've had great success in relations to obtaining some beautiful lively tails from those seeds, and they're getting planted in dirt as well as indoors. So I'm actually going to be growing tomatoes outdoor and indoor hydroponically. The watermelon, I was really considering about bringing those indoor, but I'm actually going to go outdoor with them. So follow me now. I'm going to put in some Roma tomato seeds as well as the sugar baby watermelon outside. Come along. Now that we're in my backyard, by the way, this is my backyard for all you newcomers. I live in like a very wooded area, as you can see. Don't mind the shed, I gotta fix that. But here is my raised garden bed that I actually created just maybe a year or two ago. And this is where I'm gonna be growing the tomatoes as well as the watermelon. I don't know what I'm doing in relations to doing things like this in dirt. It's just not what I do. But here's my seed. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. You're probably not supposed to do this by hand, but I am going to do it. So there's the initial seed right there. I'm just going to cover it up just a little bit. It's going to be raining soon, later on tonight, so I really wanted to just get these seeds in. I want to put three of these in here. Oh gosh, that one's lost. Oh, this is exactly why I don't do dirt. I am just not good at it at all. And I don't know how people do it. I really don't. But hopefully I have some sort of success with this. Pretty excited about it. And I don't know if I just lost a seed in here. Jesus, I have no idea what's going on, guys. Honestly. And I'll just put one more in too. Maybe like right here. Hopefully these actually germinate. Well, they are germinating. So hopefully they actually turn up and they pop up. They should be pretty strong. So I'm stoked to see it. Alright, let me go ahead and do the watermelon now. Alright, now that when it comes to the watermelon, this is the sugar babies. Again, I want to say that April 7th is the time that I planted this. Beautiful sun coming through, as you guys could see. Absolutely wonderful. I mean, this area gets so woody. Well, woody. It gets very leafy. So I don't get the same type of sun throughout the entire time. But here are my seeds. I'm kind of just going to toss them in right now. Tell me if I'm doing this right. Is this space way too small for 5 or 6 watermelon seeds? I have no idea. I've never done this. How big is the... I know the roots go far. Here, I'm going to just dip that in. Just like that. Cover it a little bit. Put that in a little bit. Put that in a little bit. Put that there a little bit. Drop that in just a little bit. And this bad boy right there, that's already got a tail. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just like that. And I'll come through and I'll bless this with some beautiful water. So hopefully this does as well as I want it to. And that's it. And this is for my outside. I'm going to do a separate video on me putting in the tomatoes as well as the basil and everything else on the indoor garden. But this is my outside for now. I'm actually going to be doing some cucumbers. I got some really great hybrid stuff, which does not require pollination. Call it for what you want. I don't get a ton of bees back here. What I do get is carpenter bees, okay? But it's very important for me to, I want to grow some cucumbers, and I want to be sustaining with those cucumbers. But if I could just grow some watermelons here, and I really think that this soil and just the overall climate, it'll really boost things up. This is black gold, as well as some Miracle Grow. I forgot the other. It's a really good type of dirt, so I'm pretty excited about it. And one of them is called black gold. But this is what I got for the outside. So April 7th is the start. We'll see how long it really takes for them to really get going and move forward with that. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Keep safe.